once you open up the file, you're gonna receive 2 pieces of paper designed nicely in there for you. One is this template, which is what we call a template anyways, is where you're gonna be sticking on the actual sticky note, and we'll go through this together. And the other portion is the actual design of the sticky note. So from here, usually most shops will recommend you using Adobe Reader, but in my case, I have the Mac. I recently deleted Adobe off of my computer. I'm going to put it back on, but for now, we're just using a normal preview in the Mac system here. So from here, you're gonna go to File and Print. Whether you have a PC, Mac, or Adobe Reader, it's very similar. We're gonna go to Scale. Very important here, it's at automatically 96%, so you're gonna put 100%. Now, here's the thing. You're not gonna print both pages at the same time. You're gonna print just page 2, the template first. So now you have the template. Now we're gonna grab the sticky of your choice, of course. I wanna try some of these gridded ones. I just recently got a pad of them. And then I always have some white readily available. So what you're gonna do is these boxes should line up with your sticky note. So you wanna try and cover all the outline of the box as best as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, and just line it up. So we've got 3 like that, and then we're gonna use the grid on 3 of them and see how it turns out. It might be messy, but who knows. Once you're ready there, you're gonna put the page with our logo on the bottom. You're gonna lay it just like this. And I have the laser printer. So if in case you have an inkjet printer, let me know if it makes any difference. We're ready to print the second page. So from here, again, we're gonna select print, and now we're going to print the first page. So only select one, and again, scale to 100, and then print. Now we've got our print, and this is how it turned out. I'm not sure if I love this, but it is something. I'll definitely use it. But anyhow, it's supposed to look like this. All right, so now I have it all set up in here. I have a bunch of sticky notes that I printed out myself, and they're just so much fun. You could have a normal sticky note like this and then turn them into something fun. If you're gonna have to navigate life through planning and just all the chaos and prioritizing works, it is one of the best fun ways, I think, to do it. And also, once it's done, you could always toss them out. You don't have to keep it and archive it and so on and so forth. So I have a bunch of those stickies everywhere, especially around my tabs. I have things to do. Have fun with them, and I hope this helped you to be a little bit more excited about sticky notes and using them in your navigation tools, aka planners. Have a good one. Let me know if you have any other questions for me, and I will love to answer whatever I can, because we're all in this together. Thanks, guys. Bye.